Have you ever been in a situation when you need to do like a very easy process on your phone, but it takes so much time? So here's how to save up your time by using your quick setting instant access on Samsung phone. And watch it till the end because I'll give you a very valuable life hack. So first of all, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now make sure to grab this top panel and drag it to the bottom. So here we are, here is your control panel. And if you want to adjust it and add up more options here, let's tap on these three dots or on the pencil icon. It depends on your Samsung model. So let's tap on the three dots and press edit buttons. So now we can look for available and needed buttons. For example, we want to add our secure folder here or Dolby Atmos. Let it be secure folder first. You're to hold it and drag it right here. So drop it whenever you want. If you want to delete something, for example, you don't need your Wi-Fi colon here, you can drag it back. And basically that's how you do this. Now press done. And there you are. So you can tap on any button to activate or deactivate this option. So they are all usable. And here's only one drawback, because if you're using like a really old Samsung, like prior to 2020, I believe, or maybe even older than that, this option won't be available. So basically that is it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.